Welcome to English Listening with Bonnie channel. Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a conversation about buying supplies for a new pet. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story about Justin and Bonnie. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. What color collar does Bonnie choose for Lucky? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comment section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. Alright, let's start the video.
Bonnie, now that we have Lucky, we need to have all the necessary supplies to take care of him.
Oh, you're right, Justin. We are still at the pet shop. Let's go to the pet supplies section.
First, let's go to the food section. We need to look for dog food.
Oh, look! This big bag of food for adult dogs is on sale. Can we take this one?
I don't think so, Bonnie. Lucky is still a puppy. Adult food is too hard for his small teeth. We should choose this puppy food instead. It is softer and healthier for him.
You're right. Let's get the puppy food.
Now, let's walk over to the bed and furniture area. We need a place for him to sleep. I think we should buy a dog bed.
A bed? But look at this wooden dog house. It looks like a real home. Can we buy this wooden house instead?
A wooden house is very nice, but it is better for the garden or outdoors. For your apartment, a soft cushioned bed is much better. It is warm, cozy, and very easy to wash.
That makes sense. I want Lucky to be cozy inside. I will take this soft gray bed.
Next, let's go to the kitchen supplies. We need a bowl for his food.
I'll take this one pink ceramic bowl. It's so cute.
Wait, Bonnie, you should buy another bowl for water too. Dogs need one bowl for food and one strictly for fresh water. If he only has one, he will be very thirsty.
Oh, I forgot about the water. I will take 2 matching bowls then.
Let's move to the grooming aisle. Now we need a brush and some dog soap.
Can I use my own hairbrush and my shower gel for him? It smells very nice.
No, Bonnie. Human soap and brushes can hurt a dog's skin. You need a professional dog brush and special dog shampoo. It keeps his fur clean and safe.
Okay, I will take the dog brush and this dog shampoo.
Now, let's find the collar and leash section. We need a collar for him.
I choose this red collar. It looks very beautiful on him.
Red is a great choice, but you should also buy a leash to go with it. You cannot walk him safely in the park without a leash.
You're right. I need the leash to keep him close to me.
Finally, we should buy a toy for Lucky. Let's go to the toy section.
I found these 2 toys, but I don't know which one to take. Should I get the colorful ball or the rubber bone?
Why don't we let Lucky choose? It's better if he picks the one he likes.
You're right. We should let him pick his favorite toy. Look, Lucky is going to the ball. He chose the ball. Now I can throw the ball and play with him.
That's a great idea. He will love playing with you.
We have everything now. Thank you so much for your help today, Justin. I couldn't choose the right things without you.
You're welcome, Bonnie. I'm happy to help. Let's head to the checkout counter to pay.
Yes. Then we can finally take Lucky home.
Look at him wagging his tail. He's definitely ready.
What color collar does Bonnie choose for Lucky? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comment section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with simple and practical expressions for daily life. I will keep uploading videos like this. So if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. Alright, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!